Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with lesson 14 measurement. Today we will do activity 4. Now question number 1. We have to convert 50 millimeter into centimeter. So let us take out our table. Now this is my table, and first of all you will write the table somewhere in the rough. You know the slogan, King Henry died, mother didn't cry much. Now we have to convert millimeter to centimeter. See, we are moving in the opposite direction. In the left direction we are moving. It means we have to divide. And how many jumps we are taking? Millimeter to centimeter only one jump. That is, we will divide by 10. So here 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5 centimeter. Now let us do question number 2. It is 142 millimeters. It is 142 millimeters into centimeters. Again, millimeter to centimeter, it means we will divide by 10. So here it is 142 millimeter into centimeter. One jump, so we will divide by 10. Students, I have told you many times that whenever we have to divide a number by 10, 100 or 1000, we never do the full division work and see. We just see the number of zeros. Here 10 is having 1 0, so the last number is remainder. Here the last digit, that is 2, this is remainder, and rest of the digits are quotient. So 14 is quotient and 2 is remainder. 2 remainder means remaining in the same class. This 14 is quotient, he has passed out. And this 2 is remainder means it is in the same class, means the unit it was having before, the same unit will be now only. Before dividing it was having unit millimeter. So after dividing also this will remain in the millimeter only. This 14 has passed. It has come to the bigger unit, which is centimeter. So answer is 14 centimeter 2 millimeter. See students, if you divide 142 by 10, 10 ones are 10, this is millimeter. Here it is 42, 10 fours are 40, this is 2. So this millimeter you will carry down like this. So it is 2 millimeter, and this 14, it is quotient, so it has become centimeter. So you can directly write like this, no need to show this division. You can directly write like this, 14 centimeter to millimeter. Now the third question is, we have to convert 625 centimeter to meters. It is 625 centimeters into meters. Here again I'll see the chart, centimeters to meters. I am going in the left direction, so I will divide. Here I will divide by 100. Why? Because I am taking 2 jumps. See, 1 and 2. So I will divide 625 by 100. I will divide 625 by, this is centimeter. I will divide this by 100. Dividing by 100 means last 2 digits is remainder. So these last 2 digits is remainder means the units will be same. Before it was centimeter, so after dividing also it will be centimeter. This 6 is quotient, so now this unit will change. From centimeter it will go to the higher unit, that is meter. So my answer is 6 meter 25 centimeter. Students, whenever you have to convert a smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide, and whenever you have to convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, then you have to multiply. Okay. Now fourth question is, it is same only, you have to convert centimeter into meters. Let us do fifth part. Fifth part is 921 decimeters into meters. Here it is 921 decimeter into meter. See, again we are converting here smaller unit to bigger unit. It means we will divide. We are moving in the left direction, so we will divide. Only one jump, so we will divide by 10. So it will be 921. Here we have to convert decimeters to meters. So here it is 921 divided by 10. So here the last digit, that is here 921 is decimeter. Here the last digit 1. This 1 is the last digit. This is the remainder. And this 92 is quotient. So the answer is 92 meters 1 decimeters. I hope students you understood this. Now complete activity 4. Thank you Shemstars. That's all for the day. You can drop your queries in the Google Classroom.